Hello guys, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. If this is your first time ever coming to my YouTube channel, then let me just introduce myself. My name is Ellie, I am a mum of 2 boys and my YouTube channel is full of everything to do with home, housework, chores, cleaning, mum life, kids, and shopping as well, obviously. Every Monday is Motivation Monday, where I get you motivated for the week. And I do 3 videos a week, so make sure you subscribe before you go. I am feeling in the spring spirit this morning. I've just filmed my B&M spring haul, so go and check that out if you haven't already. And now I'm straight into my Poundland spring haul. It is so grey and miserable outside, but inside is feeling very lovely and springy. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm feeling the vibes. I'm gonna put this down because this is empty. I was just holding it. Okay, so we went for a family day out at the weekend, and where we went I didn't know, but there was a massive Poundland. So I dragged the boys, all 3 of them, inside with me, and I got the goods. Guys, there is so much lovely spring and Easter stuff in Poundland right now, and I picked what I thought were the best bits, and I'm gonna share them with you. I didn't just get spring and Easter stuff though as well. I got some cleaning bits, some home bits, a bit of everything really. I also got my first ever clothing from Poundland. Pep & Co. So Poundland now do clothing. It's called Pep & Co. I don't know, you might have seen it. It's been pretty much all over Instagram and things recently, but I had my first purchase from there as well. So that's what this video is going to be about. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. I'm going to save the spring and Easter stuff for the end. Make you wait, you know. And I think I'm going to start with my cleaning bits because I did find some good stuff. Now, Poundland... I was walking around with Clint and he was like, that's not a pound, that's not a pound. Yeah, Poundland isn't always £1 anymore. There are other things on the shelves that can be more than £1. So just make sure you're looking carefully at the tags on the shelves and that you know exactly how much things are. I have got my receipt here, so I can tell you if things were more than £1. But yeah, let's get into cleaning. So I grabbed myself a magic eraser. There are loads of brands that make magic erasers. This one is made by Elbow Grease, but to be honest, they are all the same. They are super, super soft and tearable. So what I do with magic erasers is I just tear off a little bit at a time, because often it's only for tiny things. Like there's a mark on my white wall right there that's been bothering me for weeks, and I'm going to use my magic eraser to get it off, but I'll only need a tiny little corner, so I'll just tear off a tiny little bit, get it wet, and then it gets marks off walls like that. Just don't rub too hard because your paint will come off if you go in too heavy. So this was £1.50. A little bit more than £1. I also got myself this massive toilet disc. You guys, if you're subscribers, you'll know that I love a toilet disc. I love a blue flush. I always go for blue. It feels like the cleanest colour. And this one is huge and it claims that it will last me 8 weeks. I don't know about that because I live in a house with 3 boys and the toilet gets flushed a lot, but we will see. Again, this was £1.50 for the extra large toilet disc. Toilet block. I got myself a Febreze bathroom air freshener. I love these things. I have like 4 in my cleaning cupboard already. I thought I'll get one more because, you know, you don't want to run out. And I saw this scent Cotton Fresh, and I couldn't remember whether I've actually tried this one yet or not, but it felt really good for spring. Cotton Fresh just gave me like spring vibes. So I got that one to pop in the bathroom when I do my first big spring clean, which I am filming tomorrow and will be on my channel the following Monday. So actually by the time I upload this, it might already be on my channel. I don't know, my brain's frazzled, but yeah. So this one was actually £2 for the air freshener. I might have known this would be snuck in there. This is not mine. My other half has obviously snuck this in there. I will go and give that to him in a minute. I had completely run out of refills for my Flash Speed Mop. I love my Speed Mop. It's really convenient when you just need to do something quickly and you don't want to like fill the whole bucket and do a proper mop. So I wanted the thick, wet cloths, and these are that, the wet cloths, hence why they're in this sealed case, because they are wet. And again, trying to keep in with the spring theme, I went for Wild Orchid scent, and I can literally smell it even though it's completely sealed. I can still smell it. It smells really floral and really fresh. So this was £3.50 for a pack of, doesn't say, that's convenient, isn't it? 12. 12 mop heads. Okay, on to like the home bits and bobs now. And we got a couple of these storage Kilner jars. We love a Kilner jar. We have quite a few around the house. I just think they're a sort of timeless jar. Great for so many different things, not just food. Although we do have our tea and our coffee in Kilner jars, but these are actually going to be used for spare change and for foreign change as well. It's one of those things that we never really know where to put it in the house, and we have like a big bowl full of like euros. It's just not very organized and not very appealing. So Clint said, let's get a couple of these. Let's pop spare change in one and let's pop foreign change in the other, and then we know where it is at all times and looks a bit more neat and a bit more organized. He's obviously been spending too much time with me coming up with these ideas. I can't remember if those were exactly £1. Let me just check. Clip top jar, it was £1.50. So they were nearly £1, £1.50. That's really good for a large Kilner jar, I think. I got these. Soon enough will be used by my youngest as well. I thought this was really cute. A kid's cutlery set, so it's a knife, a fork and a spoon, but just shrunk down a little bit more miniature. And I love the fact that they're just silver, like none of this horrible plastic. Like, he's too old for plastic, but sometimes a big knife and forks can feel a bit big, so I thought this is like the perfect happy medium. And this whole cutlery set was £1.50 again. I swear everything was like £1.50. I don't think I've come across anything that was actually £1 yet. So moving into like stuff for the kids, and this stuff is actually all £1. I saw this, which was a pack of 6 mini activity books. There's dot-to-dot books and colouring and just general activities. I thought, how genius are these to just keep in my bag? I mean, I always have a big bag anyway because I still have a 1-year-old. So I'm gonna pop these in my bag with a little pack of pens or pencils as well. Oh, there's 7, not 6, look at that. And when you're in a restaurant or a cafe or anywhere where you're having to wait, you can just whip one of these out with your pens and they're good to go. I thought that was really genius because colouring books are obviously a bit big and a bit awkward, but these are so small and so compact. And a pack of 7 was £1. So I was actually really chuffed with that. That might be one of my star buys. I'm excited to put those in my bag and use them when needed. I also got my Leo this sheet of gem stickers. He loves stickers, he loves crystals. He will be very happy with these. Every season I love to like get him some new crafting and making stuff. Like, you know, at Halloween I'll get him Halloweeny stuff. So at Easter I'll get him lots of like Easter crafty things. And I thought these were really lovely. They were actually in the Easter aisle. And yeah, they were £1 for 600. I also got a pack of Bassett's Chewy Vitamins. It was only £1. Obviously not for my youngest, but for my eldest. I mean, you only get a week's worth in there. Probably not the most like value for money. But yeah, £1 for a few Chewy vitamins. Now, as I said, I made my first purchase from Pep & Co, which is the clothing range available in Poundland. And are you ready? It's probably the most stunning t-shirt you will ever see. Didn't I tell you? Would you look at that? Obviously, I mean, my eldest is completely like obsessed with Baby Yoda, so he saw this and just was completely in love with it. I did say, do we think it's a bit too green? But no, he was very much in favour of the colour and the brightness. And of course, Baby Yoda on the front. And that was, it is official Star Wars merchandise. And that was £4 for a little t-shirt, which will make a 5-year-old boy very happy. So that officially brings me to the spring and Easter bits and bobs, which I put around, and I'll go through one at a time. So first of all, I got this. As I said, I like to get sort of themed bits and bobs for Leo to do, for like crafting and making, and they had this Easter activity book that was only £1, and it's got all different things in it. So you've got word searches, you've got symmetry, you've got colouring, drawing, counting, shapes, like all different types of things in here. He'll really enjoy that. So I'll hide that away for now and get it out when it's a little bit closer to Easter. I also got this set of egg decorations. There are 6 hanging eggs in here, and it also comes with a little set of paints. If you see my spring B&M haul, you'll see that I got like a more intense egg decorating kit, which I will give to my oldest, but I thought this could be really cute for my youngest, who is nearly 2, where I can just kind of like let him loose and he can just decorate these as he wishes. I can write the date on the bottom and I can keep them as a little keepsake. And I'm sure they were £1, but let me just check. Yeah, they were £1. Now these, I actually already have quite a few of these from previous years in Poundland because they do them every year. I've got like an animal set, a farmyard animal set, like a robot alien set, I think. Anyway, I get them out every year and put them in my kids' bedroom because they're just really cute. And they had a couple of different designs this year, so I just picked them up. So I got this set of 4 bug design eggs. They have little feet, so they stand up, so you can just put them in your little one's bedroom, make a little display for them. So I got those set of 4 bug ones. And then I also got these for my niece because I thought she'll love these, which is a set of 4 lovely little unicorn eggs. We've even got a golden sparkly little horn. Would you call it a horn on a unicorn? That doesn't sound right, but you know what I mean. Very cute. This one was for me. I wanted to get an Easter mug. I love to have a mug that is relevant to the season that we find ourselves in, and I don't have an Easter mug yet, and I've got my first one, lovely spring themed mug which is covered in bumblebees. I thought that was really cute and it was £1, so I'll pop that in the dishwasher, give it a good rinse, and that'll be ready when I start decorating the house for spring. Also, they had this beautiful ceramic flower bowl. I'm not sure what I'll put in it or how I'll use it, but I'll probably like stand it up rather than have it flat so you can see that it's a flower. But isn't that beautiful? They had other colours as well. I can't remember exactly what colours, but there were a few, but this colour would probably go best in my kitchen. I'm sure that was also £1. It was £1.50, and so was the mug. This and the mug were £1.50. All the other Easter stuff was £1. I got this. I got this for my youngest, not because he's going to bake cakes, I just thought he'd really like it. I thought he'd like playing with it and fiddling with it. The carrot on the end, I thought it was quite cute. It's actually Pancake Day today. I'm filming this on Pancake Day, so maybe I could even use this to whisk my pancake mix later today. I also had to get a set of bunny ears and a tail because I'm going to attempt to put these on my baby and take a cute photo this spring. He absolutely probably will not keep them on. He'll rip them off the second that they go on his head, but I thought I'll give it a go. I did it with my eldest. I've got the cutest photo of him as a little bunny, so I will try, but whether it'll be successful or not, I don't know. They had a few different colours, but I went for a basic white. I also got this set of Easter themed cookie cutters. I won't actually use them for cookies, but what I did at Halloween and what I do at Christmas as well is I use cookie cutters when I make the boys their toast in the morning, and Leo loves it because it's just toast, but if you use a cookie cutter to cut up their toast, it's really exciting when you're 5. So they can have bunny toast or chick toast or egg-shaped toast. I mean, the egg-shaped toast is just, you know, a bit more basic, but I think he'll like the bunny. And I got these. How lovely are these? This is a pack of 6 bunny napkin rings. So if you were hosting Easter this year, having a little Easter or spring lunch, you can use these on your table. Can you see in the picture? And pop your napkin inside, and that will look really, really cute. The pack of 6 was only £1, and they're not paper. Like they look like they're made of wood. Let me just see. Yeah, they're wooden. Very cute. So there you go. That is my haul for Poundland for spring 2023. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I have lots of other spring hauls for you to look at and loads of spring content coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe before you go. I need to have a massive drink because I've just filmed 2 videos in a row and haven't stopped talking. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go if you're new, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.